We come on the sloop, John B., my grandfather and me. Around Nassau town we did roam, drinking all night and got into a fight. Well, I feel so broken, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John P. sail and see how the mainsail set, and call for the captain ashore. Let me go home. He let me go home. Why don't they let me go home? Yeah, yeah. Well, I feel so broken, I wanna go home. The first mate, he got drunk and broke in the captain's trunk. Constable had to come and take him away. Sheriff John Stone, why don't you leave me alone? I feel so broken, I wanna go home. So hoist up the John B., hoist up the John B. See how the mainsail, see how the mainsail. Go for the captain ashore. Let me go home, let me go home. I wanna go home, let me go home. Hoist up the John B., hoist up the John B. Say, I feel so broken, I wanna go home. Let me go home. Lord Cook, he got the fits and threw away all my grits. And then he took and he ate up all of my corn. Let me go home. I don't care, let me go home. This is the worst trip I've ever been on. Hoist up the John B., hoist up the John B. See how the mainsail, see how the mainsail. Go for the captain ashore. Let me go home, let me go home. I wanna go home, let me go home. This is the best trip I've ever been on.